My next step was to replace my Arduino Mega with Arduino Nano chip that I got, and they both fit on this little tiny breadboard, which was what I was trying to get everything to fit onto. The USB cable that the Nano came with is way too short and useless, so luckily I had a longer one on hand. So I went into Arduino and I loaded up the Nano board and I selected the port, and I actually connected the integrated circuit chip to the same pin numbers on the Arduino Nano that I had before, 10, 12, and 6. So I could just select the new Nano and try to run the skid exactly as it was. So let's see if it compiles. No errors. Let's see if it loads and runs. I did get an error. Hey.